Hmm. Today is another day, man. Another day. Welcome. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, my friend. Today is another day where we carry out our own gym activities. Hmm. Welcome, my friend. This is Saturday. Yep, exactly the way I said it yesterday. That on Saturday we're gonna be doing our own our own fitness, our normal 100% training. Yeah, today is another day. You know, where we get serious with our own gym. Put on our shoes. Put on your shoes. Put on our shoes. So as you are coming in, my friend, don't forget to just follow the page. Follow the page, man. Don't forget to follow the page. Follow the page, man. Follow the page and like this show. You know, why you gonna follow this page is because when I come live, you know, you can be among the first people to get in. Wait, because I put my eyes on the screen, because I'm gonna say it's good to say hi to some people first. Okay. As people coming in, we saying hi, we saying hello, everybody, hello everybody, hello everybody. This is the day that we have come to this gym. We're gonna do it the way we used to do. Okay, I put my eyes on the screen, I see another person, we're gonna say hello man, hello man. Okay, but when I start to gym, you know, my eyes may not be on the screen anymore, man. You understand? So if you don't see me say hello to you, man, you know, it means I've said that hello in advance. You got it? Today is going to be another special day. Another workout session. We are preparing. Preparing to dive into the gym mode, man. You know, what we're going to talk about today is not a big deal. Today is the day we talk about something. We talk about our own dumbbell. This is the main for today. This dumbbell is the main for the day. Yeah, well, we got the way we start our own thing, you know. We got the way we start our own thing. You understand? We start our own thing in a very simple way. We start by using our own grip. The hand grip is the first thing we use for our own gym.